Good morning, students. Okay, now we are going to see the question pattern, how the questions will come, and the explanation about social science pattern. Okay, first, you see this is the second cycle test, and you have a portion here. Already we have sent the portion to you for your remembrance. History, Unit 6 and 7, both the units from second volume. Okay, and then Geography Unit 5 and 6. Fifth unit will be there in first volume, and sixth unit will be there in second volume. Okay, and Civics third unit, Economics third unit. Okay, so this is the portion for social science. So totally 6 lessons. In the 6th lesson, the question pattern it's set at 400 marks. Okay, usually we have a number of lessons. Okay, so within the 6th lesson we need to set the question for 100 marks. So most of the question you can attempt. Okay, see, we have 4 parts. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 1 called as choose the best answer or choose the correct answer, and part 2 for brief questions, part 3 for paragraph, and part 4 it's a one big paragraph and geography now. Okay, we'll see one by one. First, choose the best answer, part 1, 14 marks. Normally, choose the best answer, it contains different type of questions. Okay, so you have a normal choose the best answer questions. Along with that, you have a assertion and reason. You know very well, you already attended some questions. So read the question clearly and answer. Okay, sometimes the question may be in book inside, that time you may be confused. Okay, so read twice the question, think and answer properly. Okay, then pick the old one out. It may be, if it is book back, it's very easy. Sometimes it's book inside also. Okay, so this also you need to concentrate and correct chronological order. They given some event or else year something. It may be you need to arrange in the chronological order, and correct statement. This also what is it? You need to think and answer, because the statement suppose what is it? It's like confusing. Okay, so properly you read the question and answer. Okay, so this totally it contains 14 marks. It come under the first part. Okay, and you see second part, answer in brief. So you need to answer any 10 question out of 14. Okay, so the 14 questions. So you have a 4 choice, isn't it? So okay. So 28th question is compulsory, which means the last question of the brief. It's a compulsory. Sir, with the question from history or geography or economics or civics, anything will come. Okay, so you need to concentrate all the questions, then only you can answer the compulsory question. So most of the question from history and geography, because history and geography only you have a 2 lessons, 4 lessons. So most of the questions out of 14 it covered in history and geography. The limited questions will come from civics and economics. Okay. And third part, answer any 10 questions. So it's not called as a paragraph questions, because paragraph also it contains, but some other part also it contains. So you need to attend any 10 questions. So how to attend 10 questions now? In this part also you can see here history map. It's a compulsory one. Okay, so history map it's a compulsory one now. So you must attend the history map. So this is one question. And timeline, it may be very easy for you because only 2 lessons. Okay, so easily you can attend this timeline. Okay, here it's given 10 paragraph questions. Okay, leave this 10 paragraph, you come to here, you can see fill-ups. Okay, so fill-ups you can attend, and distinguish, give reason. 2 distinguish will come, 1 give reason will come. You must attend this, distinguish and give reason. Here, fill-ups also you can attend easily, but surely 1 or 2 questions from book inside. Okay, so you should not expect all the questions from book back. Suppose 1 or 2 questions, surely one, maybe it increased to 2 also. the question from book inside. Suppose you can't able to answer the two questions now, just leave it this and come to the paragraph side. Suppose if you attend the fill-ups, history is 2, timeline 3, history map 4. So out of 10, 4 questions you will attend here itself. Can you understand? Now remaining 6 questions. The 6th question you can choose from the paragraph. Out of 10, you just attend only 6. It may be very easy. Okay? First concentrate for paragraph side, concentrate geography part. It's very easy and you can able to attend all the questions from geography. Okay, so concentrate geography paragraph first, and here you can see the 2 lessons only it's given. So here maybe 1 or 2 questions, here also 1 or 2 questions. So suppose if you field history is easy, you just learn history first, otherwise come to this part. Okay, so like that you can attend, and usually you can attend all the 10 questions from this part 3. Okay, next part 4 is given, answer both the questions. Okay, so both the question number 43, it contains 2 paragraphs, the 2 paragraphs from history and geography. Okay, so history, normally what type of question will come now? It's little bigger than the usual questions, and some smaller question also will come, but you just see some bigger questions. Okay, so those type of questions will come in the 8 mark question, because it contains 8 mark. One question contains 8 marks. So either or choice only, either you can attend history or geography question you can attend. And 44th question, geography map. So this is the outline map of India. So you have only 2 lessons here, isn't it? 5th and 6th unit only. So you can attend the 2 questions. Sorry, you can attend the all 8 questions. This also either or choice. 2 map will come. In that, any 1 map you need to choose. Both also India map only. So you can choose any one and you can score easily 8 marks. Okay, so this is about the question pattern, and you already written some exams, so you may aware of it and how to write. So only the thing, choose the question properly and correctly. So that will help you for scoring good marks. Okay, so all the best students.